Hey Fit Pros, Jill with Excel Wellness Continuing Education here. If you've been following us or been a fan or attendee of ours for some time, you know this is my favorite time of year when I get to announce an upcoming course and a new presenter that I'm bringing in. So here with you today, I'm so excited to talk to you about my fall 2019 lineup. This has been a long time coming. I've had requests, I think, since we started 11 years ago for something in that nutrition realm that still keeps us within our scope of practice as Fit Pros. So without any further ado, here we finally have it. Dr. Mike T. Nelson will be coming on Saturday, November 9th, and the name of his course is Metabolic Flexibility After 40, Taming Midlife Metabolism with Food. So, I mean, the title alone, I love it, right? How many of you work with the 40 plus demographic or are in the 40 plus demographic? Right here. So if you have those clients that you're just really struggling with to get results, whether it be weight loss or performance, and just have them feeling good, this is what this course is for. And I know I have a really hard time with a lot of those clients. So we're going to tackle into that. I'm going to read off my notes here just a little bit to fill you in. So we're going to talk about, again, better body composition and performance results. Dr. Mike will tackle the current debate on whether fats or carbs are the best fuel. So I know we'll talk about keto and intermittent fasting and low carb, moderate carb, everything that's out there right now. And it is all dependent on your client and what their physical and performance goals are. So we're going to talk about metabolic flexibility, changes in insulin, timing of nutrients and supplements. And Dr. Mike believes that your metabolism dropping at 40 is a myth and says that it really is not until you hit your 60s. So he's going to share his number one intervention for keeping your metabolism going. So we'll talk about protein and its effects, how it helps in regards to aging. You'll be able to leave with it, be able to create a template to match the effects of nutrition and supplements to what your clients' goals are and help them age in a healthy, graceful way. So real quick, a little bit about Dr. Mike. He is a research fanatic. He specializes in metabolic flexibility and heart rate variability, which is really in the forefront in our business right now. So he is an online trainer. He's a professor, and he has created a certification called the Flex Diet Cert. So he is just a wealth of knowledge. Definitely go online and check him out. He has got some great podcasts, a lot of good information out there. So let's wrap up. This course is going to be Saturday, November 9th. Early bird is going to happen now until September 6th. So early bird is $229. It's going to be 0.8 CEUs with NASM. After September 6th, it's $249. So don't miss that best price and make sure you get in. We'll have lunch options. We're at KU Edwards campus again. Nutrition, you guys, come join me. This is what you've been asking for. Can't wait to see you in November.